Decimal numbers consist of a whole number part and a fractional part separated by a decimal point. For example, if it is 2.3, in this 2 is the whole number part and 2.3 is the decimal part or the fractional part, or 4.563. Here 4 is the whole number part and 563 is the decimal part. Sometimes the digits after the decimal point end after a certain place and sometimes they continue. Based on how the digits continue after the decimal point, decimals are classified into two types. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal means a decimal number that has a limited number of digits after the decimal point and can be expressed as a fraction in form of p by q. For example, if it is 1 divided by 2. If you divide 1 divided by 2, not possible, therefore point and put 1 0. 2 5s are 10. Therefore, the answer is 0.5. It is a terminating decimal. That means the remainder is 0. If it is 2 by 5, if you divide 2 by 5, point, put 1 point and you can add 1 0. 5 4s are 20. Therefore, 0.4, it is a terminating decimal. Non-terminating decimal. A non-terminating decimal is a decimal number that has infinite digits after the decimal point and does not come to an end. A non-terminating decimal is classified into two types. First one is non-terminating recurring decimal. If you divide 1 by 3, divide 1 by 3, it is not possible. Therefore, put 1 point and 0. 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1. And once you put point, you can keep on adding 0. 3 3s are 9. Again, 10 minus 9 is 1. And once you put the point, you can keep on adding 0. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 1. If you keep doing it, the value will become 0.3333, like that it continues. This can be written as 0.3 recurring. If you write a bar above this, that means it is recurring. Next, it will be 2 by 7. That means if you divide 2 divided by 7, 0.0, 7 4s are 7 2s are 14 and 20 minus 14 is 6, and if you have put point already, therefore 7 7s are 49, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 8s are 56, and then 10 minus 6 is 4. That is 60 minus 56 is 4, and you will add 1 0, and 7 5s are 35. That means here it is 40 minus 35 is 5. Therefore, it is also continuing, and here it is not coming to an end, but here it is a recurring decimal. It is a recurring decimal. Here also it will continue if you continue with the division. Non-terminating non-recurring decimal. A non-terminating, non-recurring decimal is a decimal number that continues infinitely without repeating any pattern and cannot be expressed as a fraction. For example, it is value of pi. Value of pi, that is 22 by 7. Value of pi is 22 by 7. If you find the value, it will become 3.1428571429. Like this it continues. See here, I'll show you up to 1 or 2 decimal places. It is a long process. 7 3s are 21. 22 minus 21 is 1, and since you can put 1 point and 0, and it is 7 1s are 7, 10 minus 7 is 3, and then since you have put point you can add 1 0. 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, then 2, and then again you add 1 0. Like this it continues. Therefore, here we can say this is non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. Other non-terminating, non-repeating decimal are value of 7, square root of 2, about square root and all. You are going to learn in the next series of videos. If the denominator is of a rational number is expressed in the form of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n are both, then it is a terminating decimal. For example, if you write 3 by 40, here 40 can be written as, see, factors of 40 are 2 20s are 2 10s are 2 5s are. That means 2 to the power of 3 and 5 to the power of 1. It is a terminating decimal. If I write some number 4 by 34, 4 by 34, 4 by 34, it is, find the factors of 34. 4 by 34. It is 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are. That means 4 by 2 into 7. If you divide, it will not terminate. It will be a non-terminating decimal. If you write 3 by 45, that means 3 and here 45. Factors of 45 are 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, and 3 3s are, here it is 5 3 and 3. That means here it will become a non-terminating decimal. The factor should be either 2 or 5 or both, then it will be a terminating decimal. One more example, if I write 3 by 2, it will become a terminating decimal because 2 1s are 2 and 2 5s are 10. That means if the denominator of the rational number is expressed in the form of 2 to the power of m and 5 to the power of n are both, then it is a terminating decimal. In this video, you learnt how you can find a terminating and non-terminating decimal, and thank you for watching, and wait for the next series of video.